Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Andrew Tate's Daddy crypto token. So as you can see that currently I'm on coinmarketcap.com and I am opening the chart of Andrew Tate's Daddy coin. As you can see that its current price is here and today it is around 9% less. If you click on the 1 year potential, then you will notice that this coin is crashing and crashing very hard. If you click on the 7 days chart, then you will notice that it is crashing every single day. So this project might have potential of getting 20x in the near future. So if you are willing to buy Andrew Tate's Daddy token, then what you need to do is you can come to coinmarketcap.com and then you can open the Daddy coin. After that, you need to hover over to the top and click on exchanges. After clicking on exchanges, it will show you all of the exchanges on which you can purchase it. So you just have to simply scroll down to the markets, and here if you click on the CEX, it will show you all of the centralized exchanges on which you can buy this coin like get.io, MEXC, Bitget, BingX, etc. If you click on the DEX, then it will show you all the decentralized exchanges on which you can purchase it very easily. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get it on any of the centralized exchanges. And for today's video, I'm going to use BingX. So if you want to use BingX, then I have put my link down in the description, so you can use that link to get the 5000 plus USD as a welcome bonus. So after clicking on the BingX option, you will be landed on the official website of BingX. Now over here, you just have to simply provide your email address and create a account on BingX, and then you just have to simply verify your identity. Now over here, you will be able to see the Daddy coin in the USDT pair, but you can even click on it and change it if you want to. Then in the right hand section, we are going to see the support buying. So you just have to select support, and after that you will have to make it as market if you want to purchase it in the current price. But if you want to set any limit, then you can even click on the limit option. After that, you just have to enter the amount in the form of USDT in this section, and then you just have to simply scroll down, and over here you just have to click on the buy daddy option. After clicking on buy daddy, you just have to simply complete your buying process, and this way you will be able to buy daddy coin on BingX. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.